another problem we have, that is, so every problem we have to take it 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, we have to do more speedy calculations. When you are taking more time, you will be lost your marks. Okay, now here very easiest chapter which we are starting. Okay, now a plane passes to the point, a plane is passes to the point, that is 3 1 1 1, contains two lines whose direction cosines are 1 minus 2 2 and 2 3 minus 1. If this plane also passes through the alpha 3 minus 5, then alpha equal to, now here understand the what is the question they are given. A plane passes through 3 1 1. So if a plane passes through the point and the direction ratios are normal to the plane, now the required plane is nothing but, so that is a into x minus 3 plus b into y minus 1 plus c into z minus 1 equal to 0. So which is the plane which are passing through the 3 1 1. Okay, and next contains two lines whose direction cosines, direction ratios they are given. So that is a minus 2b plus 2c equal to 0, and next one is 2a plus 3b minus c equal to 0. So which they are given direction drs, we form the two equations. Now this is some equation 1, this is some equation 2. By solving these two equations, so here we get a equal to minus 4 and b equal to 5 and c equal to 7. So a equal to minus 4 and b equal to 5 and c equal to 7. When you substitute here, minus 4, 5 2s are minus 10. So and here the value will be, we get that is minus 4 and 5 and 7. Right. Now we get the a equal to minus 4 and b equal to 5 and c equal to 7. When we are going to substitute, we get the, so here 0. So how we get, we will check here minus 4, 5 2s are minus 10, minus 4 minus 10, minus 14. So 2 into 7, 2 7s are 14. So 14 minus 14 will be 0. So here a equal to minus 4 and b equal to 5 and c equal to 7. So after finding these value and we have to substitute in this equation. So minus 4 into x minus 3 plus 5 into y minus 1 plus 7 into z minus 1 equal to 0. So getting a, b, c values and substitute above equation. Now we get that is required 4x minus 5y minus 7z equal to 0. So when you solve these equations, we get 4x minus 5y minus 7z equal to 0, and which is passing through the point alpha 3 minus 5, which is passing through the point alpha 3 minus 5. So here substitute the values. So that is 4 into alpha and minus 15 plus 35 equal to 0. So 4 alpha is nothing but, so that is 4 alpha and a plus 20 equal to 0 and 4 alpha equal to minus 20, alpha equal to minus 5. So where we have minus 5 alpha value, so the option is D. So here we simply do the problem. Okay, so by solving this problem we take only 3 to 4 minutes. So in exam you have to crack very speedy. Okay, guys, another problem we have on the board. The plane which passes and the plane which bisects the line joining the points 4 minus 2 3 and 2 4 minus 1 at right angles also passes through the point. So very easiest question this one. The plane which bisects the line joining, simply we have to take one plane, right? When you take the plane, we have here P and we have Q. So why should we take P and Q? If you take whatever it may be, we have to take 2 points of a plane. So here we have the midpoint. Here we have the midpoint. So that is say some m. So the midpoint is m. So the P points is 4, -2, 3 and 2, 4, -1. Okay. So the PQ midpoint is nothing but we have to understand when you are going to study the IP, we write the midpoint formula and substitute the formulas. But today we are going to discuss the mains. Okay, when you are solving or when you are attempting the mains, we have to do the speedy calculation. Okay, we have to run the formula in our brain and we do the direct steps. Okay, then only you reduce the time. Otherwise, you have to waste your time in your examination. So the P and Q midpoint formula already we know that x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So here 4 plus 2, 6. 6 by 2 is nothing but 3. So -2 plus 4 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. And 3 minus 1 is 2 and 2 by 2 is 1. So we have to get the midpoint. Now after getting the midpoint, they are clearly mentioning the plane which bisects. So it bisects the means here it's cutting the plane two equal parts. Bisects means cutting the two equal part. So here we get a right angle. So here we get right angle. Now the DRs of P and Q is nothing but 4 minus 2 is 4 plus 2 is nothing but right here the DRs is nothing but 4 minus 2 is 2 minus 2 minus 4 we get minus 6 3 plus 1 is nothing but 4. So there are 2 minus 6 and 4. So the required plane, so that is the required plane is nothing but 2 into x minus 3 and minus 6 into y minus 1 and plus 4 into z minus 1 equal to 0, which is our required plane. To solving this, 2x minus 6y and that is 4z. So here minus 6 and plus 6 and minus 4 equal to 0. So plus 6 minus 6 will be cancelled. We get 2x minus 6y plus 4z minus 4 equal to 0. So which is our answer, and substitute these 4 points in this equation. So where we get the 0, that point will be satisfied. So here we take the option is 4 0 minus 1, that is 4 0 minus 1. So when you substitute here 2 into 4 and it will become 0, that is 4 into minus 1 minus 4. 2 4s are 8, so minus 4 will become 0. So here our answer is nothing but option is B. So that is 4 0 minus 1. So we have to understand the question, we have to solve it in 3 minutes.